So today am feeling really sad about my friend. He was more than my friend, and I lost him many years ago now, and today was just a really hard day. I didn't expect that I would ever feel this pain this deep again, but today I did. And I just want to sing a song for Josiah. So, I hope it reaches him. What am I gonna do? Said I've been needing you, wanting you, wondering if you're the same and who's there with you. Is your heart still mine? I wanna cry sometimes. Off to college, yes, you went away. Straight from high school, you up and left me. We were close friends, also lovers. Did everything for one another. Now you're gone and I am lost without you here and now. But I know I gotta live and make it somehow. Come back to me, can you feel me calling for you, for you? Cause it's what I'm gonna do. Said I've been needing you, wanting you, baby. And who's there? Is your heart still mine? I wanna cry sometimes.